Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Houston, and for good reason. With a mix of busy urban neighborhoods, expanding suburbs, and extreme weather conditions, keeping your home safe requires more than just an alarm system. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, upgrades you can make is installing new, high-quality doors. Your doors are the first line of defense between your family and the outside world. If they're outdated, worn, or poorly constructed, they can become an easy target for forced entry. Upgrading your doors doesn't just improve curb appeal, it significantly boosts your home's security and peace of mind. Stronger materials mean better protection. Older doors, especially hollow core or aging wood models, are far easier to kick in or damage. New exterior doors are designed with modern materials that prioritize strength and durability. Steel and fiberglass doors are especially popular in Houston because they offer superior resistance to impact while standing up well to humidity and heat. Reinforced door cores and solid construction make it much harder for intruders to break through. When paired with a properly installed frame, a new door can drastically reduce the risk of forced entry. Advanced locking systems add an extra layer of security. New doors don't just look better, they're built to work with advanced locking hardware. Multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along the frame, are becoming increasingly common. These systems make it extremely difficult to pry or force the door open. Many homeowners in Houston also choose smart locks with new door installations. These allow you to monitor access, receive alerts, and control locks remotely, perfect for busy households or frequent travelers. Improved door frames and hinges matter more than you think. Even the strongest door won't help much if the frame is weak. New door installations typically include reinforced frames and heavy-duty hinges that are anchored directly into the wall structure. This added reinforcement prevents doors from being kicked in or pulled off their hinges. Modern hinges are also often tamper-resistant, with concealed screws that make them harder to remove from the outside. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in overall security. Better visibility without sacrificing safety. Many Houston homeowners want doors with glass panels to allow natural light into entryways. Today's security-focused door designs make that possible without increasing risk. Impact-resistant and laminated glass options are designed to withstand heavy force while remaining difficult to shatter. You can enjoy the brightness and style of decorative glass while still maintaining a secure barrier against intruders. Weather resistance supports security year-round. Houston's weather, heat, humidity, storms, and hurricanes can weaken older doors over time. Warping, swelling, and cracks create gaps that compromise both energy efficiency and security. New doors are engineered to handle Houston's climate. Proper sealing, weather-resistant materials, and tight installation help maintain structural integrity, ensuring your door stays secure year after year, no matter the conditions. Peace of mind for you and your family. Ultimately, upgrading your doors is about feeling safe in your own home. New doors deter break-ins, improve overall home strength, and give you confidence whether you're home or away. They also add value to your property, making them a smart investment for the long term. For Houston homeowners, new doors aren't just a design upgrade, they're a practical, effective way to protect what matters most. If your current doors are outdated or showing signs of wear, replacing them could be one of the simplest and most impactful security improvements you make.